Hello everyone, hope you all are good. Welcome to English class. My name is Devki and today we will study a very important topic of English grammar, that is past tense. In our last videos we learned about the tense and then we learned about present tense, and we learned that past indicates about the time of action or an event. Means टेंसेस किसी भी वर्क के, किसी काम के या किसी इवेंट के टाइम को इंडिकेट करते हैं. देन वी लर्न दैट टेंसेस आर ऑफ थ्री टाइप्स. टेंसेस थ्री टाइप्स के होते हैं: प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस एंड फ्यूचर टेंस. एंड इन आवर लास्ट थ्री वीडियोस वी लर्न अबाउट द प्रेजेंट टेंस एंड इट्स थ्री टाइप्स. हमने प्रेजेंट टेंस के थ्री पार्ट्स के बारे में पढ़ा: सिंपल प्रेजेंट, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस एंड प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. Now in this video lesson we will learn about a past tense and its three types, that is simple past, past perfect and past continuous. So in this video we will learn about the simple past tense. Now what is simple past tense and why do we use it? हम simple past tense का use किस लिए करते हैं? हम simple past tense का use ऐसे एक्शंस को या इवेंट्स को इंडिकेट करने के लिए करते हैं जो पास्ट में हुए होते हैं. मींस वी यूज सिंपल पास्ट टेंस टू इंडिकेट अबाउट द एक्शन हैपेंड इन द पास्ट. और जो ऐसा कोई वर्क जो कल हुआ हो या लास्ट मंथ, लास्ट वीक और लास्ट ईयर. एंड वी ऑल्सो यूज दिस टेंस टू टॉक अबाउट द एक्शंस और आवर हैबिट्स दैट वर यूज्ड टू अकर इन पास्ट. हम अपनी ऐसी हैबिट्स के बारे में भी बात करते हैं इस टेंस को यूज करके जो हम पास्ट में फॉलो करते थे. लाइक आई यूज्ड टू गो फॉर वॉक, मैं पहले वॉक करने के लिए जाया करती थी. लाइक दिस. नाउ आई हैव गिवन यू सम एग्जांपल्स ओवर हियर दैट शोज इंडिकेट्स द सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. लाइक द फर्स्ट वन, आई एट माय फूड, मैंने अपना खाना खाया. सेकेंड, आई सॉ मूवी लास्ट वीक, मैंने लास्ट वीक मूवी देखी. आई वेंट टू स्कूल, मैं स्कूल गई. आई प्लेड फुटबॉल, मैंने फुटबॉल खेला. आई डिड योगा येस्टरडे, मैंने कल योगा किया. सो यू हैव सीन दैट ऑल दीज सेंटेंसेस आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एन एक्शन दैट हैपेंड इन पास्ट. ये सारे सेंटेंसेस ऐसे एक्शन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो पास्ट में हुए थे. लाइक इन योर डे टू डे लाइफ, जब आप बोलते हो येस्टरडे आई वेंट फॉर अ मूवी, कल मैं एक मूवी के लिए गया था. और येस्टरडे आई मेट माई फ्रेंड, मैं अपने फ्रेंड से मिला था. आई वेंट इन अ पार्टी, मैं किसी पार्टी में गया. और आई प्लेड माई क्रिकेट, आई प्लेड क्रिकेट विद माई फ्रेंड्स, मैंने अपने फ्रेंड के साथ क्रिकेट खेला. तो ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन जो आप पहले हो चुकी है, जब आप उस इंफॉर्मेशन को देने के लिए जिन सेंटेंसेस का यूज करते हैं उन्हें हम बोलते हैं सिंपल पास्ट टेंस सेंटेंसेस. Like every tense, simple past tense also has four basic sentence structures. Those are affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative negative. Now one by one we will study about all these four sentence structures in detail. So first we will learn about affirmative. First of all, affirmative sentences are those sentences that has a positive sense. इनमें not का use नहीं होता, ये positive sentences होते हैं या फिर normal information देने के लिए use होते हैं. So for affirmative, our structure is subject plus second form of the verb, then our object. Means in affirmative sentence formation हम सबसे पहले subject write करते हैं, उसके बाद वर्ब की सेकेंड फॉर्म राइट करते हैं. देन वी राइट आर ऑब्जेक्ट और द अदर पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. लाइक इन एग्जांपल आई हैव रिटन शी मेट मी लास्ट मंथ. शी इज माय सब्जेक्ट एंड मेट इज द सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब मीट. ये वर्ब का सेकेंड फॉर्म, वर्ब मीट का सेकेंड फॉर्म है, दैट इज मेट एंड देन द अदर पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस. इन द सेकेंड एग्जांपल, वी प्लेड क्रिकेट मैच, हमने क्रिकेट मैच खेला. So over here we is my subject, then I have written the second form of the verb play over here and then the object. Then my second sentence structure is of negative sentence. Negative sentences are those sentences that has a word not in them. वो sentences जिनमें not word का use होता है, हम उन्हें negative sentence बोलते हैं. Their structure is subject, did not, first form of the verb plus object. Now you will notice one thing that over here we have not used any helping verb. हमने affirmative sentences में किसी भी helping verb का use नहीं किया है, but in negative sentences we use the helping verb did और हम उसके साथ not का use करते हैं. After that we use the first form of the verb. हम affirmative में second form of the verb use करते हैं, but in negative sentences we use first form of the verb because we have already used the did not helping verb over here. Let's look at the example. I did not eat my lunch. मैंने अपना lunch नहीं किया. So I have written my subject, then did not, and then the first form of the verb. Then the second example. Rahul did not go to school. Rahul school नहीं गया. Rahul is my subject, then helping verb did not, and then the first form of the verb. Now my next sentence structure is interrogative. Interrogative sentences are used to ask questions. Interrogative sentences का use हम question पूछने के लिए करते हैं. Now interrogative sentences are of two types. One is yes or no and another is WH questions. Yes or no questions वो होते हैं जिनका आंसर yes और no में होता है, and WH questions वो होते हैं जिनका आंसर may be in detail और a noun could be there, जिनका आंसर हम सिर्फ yes और no में नहीं दे सकते. So for yes or no question the structure is did, subject, first form of the verb and object. जब भी हम कोई yes or no क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहते हैं, उसका फॉर्मेशन करना चाहते हैं, we always use the helping verb did at the first place of the sentence, then we write the subject and then we write the first form of the verb, then object. And as it is an interrogative sentence, so we put the question mark at the end of the sentence, question. Now the WH word questions. वो क्वेश्चन जो किसी WH वर्ड से स्टार्ट होते हैं, लाइक व्हाट, वेयर, व्हाई, हाउ, एटसेट्रा. सो फर्स्ट वी राइट द WH वर्ड, देन डिड, देन सब्जेक्ट, देन द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब एंड देन द ऑब्जेक्ट. The only difference between the yes or no question and the WH word question is that in yes or no question the sentence start with the helping verb did, and in WH word question we put WH word before did. इन दोनों में सिर्फ यही डिफरेंस होता है. yes or no क्वेश्चन में हम सबसे पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब did का यूज करते हैं, बट वो सेंटेंसेस जो WH वर्ड से यूज स्टार्ट होते हैं, हम उन क्वेश्चंस में did से पहले WH वर्ड राइट करते हैं. Let's look at the example. Over here I have given the example of yes or no question. So did you learn your homework? क्या तुमने अपना होमवर्क याद किया? So your answer will be yes or no. So this is a yes or no question. Now the next example is where did you go yesterday? कल तुम कहाँ गए थे? So इसके आंसर में आप yes or no नहीं दे सकते. Either you will tell the name of a place or anything. आप यहाँ पे किसी प्लेस का या जहाँ पर भी आप गए उसका नाम बताएंगे, तो ये yes or no question नहीं है. And this sentence is starting with the WH word, so it is a WH interrogative sentence. The only difference, as I told you, कि did से पहले आपने WH word का use किया है, that is where. Now next we will learn about our next sentence structure, that is interrogative negative. So since interrogative negative is a combination of interrogative sentence and negative sentence, let's look at the structure. Since it is an interrogative, so we will start with did, and it is also negative, so we will use not also. So our structure is did, then subject, then not, then first form of the verb, then the object, and at the end we will put the question mark. In spoken English we use the contraction form of did not, that is didn't. So our structure will be didn't, then subject, then the first form of the verb and then the object. So in spoken English, we put this not before the subject. Let's understand with the example. So I have written here, did you go there? Since it's an interrogative negative sentence, so after you we will put not over here. As I told you, after did, first helping verb did, then the subject, then the word not will come over here. And in contraction form, we will say, didn't you go there? Since it's a contraction form, so we have put the first not word before the subject. So we have written didn't over here, then the subject, and then my first form of the verb, then the object. Then if we want to form the WH word question, so we will simply put WH word before the helping verb did or didn't. So I have written over here, why didn't you go there? I hope you have understood this. Now I will revise all these four structures with the help of one example. So first we learned about the affirmative sentences, and the structure was subject plus the second form of the verb and the object. So for this I have taken the example, he ate lunch. Subject, second form of the verb, and then my object. Then we had the negative sentence. As I told you that in negative sentence we use the helping verb did and we also add not word in it, since it's a negative sentence. Because ये negative sentence होता है, इसलिए हम इसमें not word का use करते हैं, क्योंकि हम negative sentence में किसी चीज को deny करते हैं, किसी चीज को मना करते हैं. So he didn't eat lunch. Then we had the interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, I told you that there are two types of interrogative sentence. One is yes or no, another is WH. Interrogative sentences two types के होते हैं, yes or no questions और WH word questions. In yes or no questions, the sentence start with the helping verb did. जो हमारा sentence होता है वो helping verb did के साथ use होता है, और इन्हें हम yes or no questions इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि इनके answers yes or no में होते हैं. Like did he eat lunch? क्या उसने lunch किया? So your answer will be yes or no. Then we learned about the WH word questions. So in WH word questions, we will write the WH word. After that the helping verb did. WH word questions में, interrogative sentences में हम सिर्फ WH word को helping verb did के साथ place कर देते हैं. So my sentence will be, what did he eat in lunch? उसने lunch में क्या खाया? Then we learned about our last sentence structure, that is interrogative negative. And I told you that interrogative negative sentences are combination of interrogative sentence and negative sentence. Means interrogative negative sentence में हम interrogative sentence और negative sentence का combination form करते हैं. Since they are interrogative sentence, so we have written the helping verb did, and since they are negative also, so we have used the word not over here. Did he not eat lunch? क्या उसने lunch नहीं किया? And to form the contraction form, we put not before our subject, and then we use the contraction form of did not, that is didn't. Didn't he eat lunch? In the same way, if I want to form the WH word question, so I will write the WH word first and then the helping verb did. So why didn't he eat lunch? उसने lunch क्यों नहीं किया? Now I am again revising all the four structures. First we learned about the affirmative sentences, जिनका structure था subject plus the second form of the verb and then the object. Then we learned about the negative sentences, the sentence that we use to deny something, and we use the word not or did not in them. So subject plus did not plus first form of the verb, then the object. Then we learned about the interrogative sentences, and we learned about the formation of yes or no interrogative sentences. In yes or no, we always use the helping verb did first, then we write the subject, then we write the first form of the verb and then the object. Then to form the WH word questions, we put the WH word before the helping verb did. Then we learned about the interrogative negative sentences. Interrogative negative sentences are the combination of interrogative sentence also and the negative sentence also. So to form the yes or no interrogative negative sentence, first we write the helping verb did, then हम subject write करते हैं, then the word not, first form of the verb, then our object. And मैंने आपको ये भी बताया कि spoken English में हम did not का contraction form use करते हैं, that is didn't. So in this we put the not before the subject, then the first form of the verb and then the object. In the same way, to form the WH word interrogative negative sentence, we simply put the WH word before the helping verb did. Means WH word interrogative negative sentence form करने के लिए हम सिर्फ helping verb did से पहले WH word का use करते हैं. Let's understand with the help of example. The first one I wrote, did you not go there? And when I am using the contraction form of did not, so I will say didn't you go there? And when I will use the WH word, so I will say why didn't you go there? Now I hope you have understood this topic. Still, if you have any problem, you can call me anytime. We will meet again with another video lesson. Till then, bye bye.